Peas are small, but they are foundational. They do not dominate plates visually. They do not overwhelm flavor. Yet peas have quietly shaped how humans eat, farm, and even think about food. Few plants carry as much historical weight in such a modest form. Botanically, peas are Pisum sativum, a member of the legume family. That alone places them among the most important plants on Earth. Legumes feed people directly and feed soil indirectly. They fix nitrogen, enriching farmland and enabling agriculture to scale. Peas are among the earliest domesticated crops. Archaeological evidence places them in the Middle East over 10,000 years ago. Alongside wheat and barley, peas helped anchor early civilizations. Unlike grains, peas delivered protein. This mattered. Protein availability defined survival, strength, and population growth. Peas filled that gap efficiently. The plant itself is elegant. Climbing vines with delicate tendrils, white or purple flowers, and pods that protect rows of round seeds. Each pod is a system. Each seed is potential. Fresh peas are sweet. That sweetness is fleeting. Once harvested, sugars convert quickly into starch. This is why truly fresh peas taste dramatically different from old ones. Time matters. Flavor-wise, peas are grassy, sweet, and clean. They taste green in the most literal sense. Cooked gently, they remain bright and fresh. Overcooked, they turn dull and starchy. Texture depends on maturity. Young peas are tender and pop lightly when bitten. Older peas become firmer and grainy. Both have uses, but knowing the difference separates intention from accident. Culinarily, peas are universal. They appear in European stews, Indian curries, Chinese stir-fries, Middle Eastern rice dishes, and American comfort food. They adapt without losing identity. Fresh peas are often blanched or lightly sautéed. Frozen peas, harvested and preserved at peak sweetness, are one of the rare cases where freezing preserves quality exceptionally well. Dried peas, split or whole, play a different role. They become soups, purees, and thick stews. In this form, peas turn from bright accents into structural food. Nutrition is where peas quietly dominate. They provide plant-based protein, complex carbohydrates, and significant fiber. This combination supports muscle maintenance, digestion, and stable energy. Peas are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin O precursors, folate, iron, and manganese. They also contain antioxidants and polyphenols linked to reduced inflammation. Unlike many legumes, peas are relatively easy to digest, especially when cooked properly. This makes them accessible across age groups and cultures. From an agricultural perspective, peas are strategic. They grow in cool climates. They mature quickly. They improve soil health. Farmers often rotate peas with grains to maintain fertility. Peas also shaped science. Gregor Mendel used pea plants to discover the fundamental laws of genetics. Traits like color, shape, and height in peas revealed how inheritance works. Modern biology began with peas. Visually, peas represent freshness. Bright green spheres signal spring, renewal, and simplicity. This visual language is powerful and deeply ingrained. The biggest mistake with peas is neglect. Overcooking, oversalting, or treating them as filler strips them of value. Properly handled, they elevate dishes with sweetness and balance. Peas do not demand attention. They reward awareness. They are not trendy. They are essential. Peas prove that impact is not about size, but consistency. They fed civilizations, supported science, and continue to sustain modern diets quietly and efficiently.